This is one of those beds that immediately changes the feel of a bedroom the moment you walk in. It has a clean, modern upholstered design, but what really matters is whether it actually feels as good as it looks. When I ordered the AMERLIFE bed, I was looking for something that looked high-end, felt sturdy, and was comfortable enough for everyday use. After using it for several weeks, here are my honest thoughts on how it performs in real life, from comfort to build quality to overall design. Before we get to all of that, I'll quickly touch on assembly. My husband and I put the entire king-size bed together in about an hour and a half. Everything was clearly labeled, all of the screws were the same type, and the upholstered side panels were super easy to attach. They even included extra Velcro, which made it easy to adjust and get everything looking clean and secure. Quickly, before I continue, if you're considering this bed, I'll have affiliate links in the description so you can check out current pricing and availability. And if you enjoy honest furniture reviews that help you avoid wasting money, make sure to subscribe. I regularly test and review products so you can shop with confidence. Now, let's talk about the look and feel of this bed because it's the first thing you'll notice. The vertical channel Tufted headboard is absolutely beautiful. The white upholstery gives this bed such a clean, modern, and high-end look. It instantly brightened up the room and made the space feel more put together. But it's not just about how it looks. The headboard is thickly padded and genuinely soft. If you like sitting up in bed, whether you're reading, watching TV, working on your laptop, or just scrolling, this makes a huge difference. It's much more comfortable than a wood or metal headboard. I will say that putting on the headboard fabric over the metal frame, we did rip the fabric on the back a little bit. It doesn't hinder the structural integrity and the headboard is still nice and snug on the metal frame, but be sure to be extra careful when putting it together. Now, let's talk about the frame and how it performs. The frame itself feels incredibly sturdy. It uses a strong metal slat support system, and there's no box spring needed. The slats are closely spaced, which gives great mattress support and peace of mind that your mattress isn't going to sag over time. So after living with this bed for several weeks, the real question is whether it actually holds up beyond just the first impression. And in my experience, it does. The biggest strengths are the overall design, the comfort of the headboard, and how stable and quiet the frame feels during everyday use. And while there are a lot of visual details that make it stand out, what really matters is that it continues to feel just as sturdy and put together after daily use as it did on day one. Overall, the AMERLIFE bed delivers on both form and function. It looks high-end, feels stable, and offers a level of comfort that makes it a strong option if you want a bed that elevates your space without feeling overcomplicated. If you want to check out current pricing, colors, or availability, I'll leave affiliate links in the description. And if this review helped, feel free to subscribe for more honest furniture breakdowns.